and welcome back to another Fun Fridays. My name's Sam and I'm one of the 2021 STEM instructors at Creative Encounters with Science. Today, we're going to continue our theme of optics and we're going to look at illusions with a fun experiment you can do at home. Today, to look at illusions at home, we're going to complete an experiment known as Pepper's Ghost Illusion.
In the 1860s, an inventor named Henry Dirks built upon an older Italian optical illusion concept that manipulated visual effects using glass and light. His effect never gained popularity though because it was complicated and expensive, requiring theaters to be completely rebuilt to incorporate his trick. John Henry Pepper came up with an easy way to implement Dirks' effect in existing theaters using just a sheet of glass. Since Pepper popularized the illusion, it became known as Pepper's Ghost. John Henry Pepper started showing the illusion at theaters around England and Australia, puzzling audiences. The original Pepper's Ghost optical illusion involves placing a large piece of glass at an angle between a brightly lit stage room, into which viewers look straight ahead, and a hidden room. The glass reflects the hidden room, kept dark, that holds a ghostly scene. When the lights in the hidden room are slightly raised to illuminate the scene, the lights in the stage are slightly dimmed, and the ghost appears to the audience. Pepper's Ghost illusion is not a hologram. This is because a true hologram is a three-dimensional image created by lasers without the use of lenses. However, Pepper's Ghost is an optical illusion produced by reflected light. The projection appears when an image is reflected against a screen at a 45-degree angle, resulting in a virtual image that appears to have depth and float in midair. Though you may not have known at the time, you've probably seen a Pepper's Ghost illusion before. Teleprompters used in newsrooms and during shows take advantage of Pepper's Ghost illusion. Additionally, you can also see Pepper's Ghost illusion being used at Disneyland's Haunted Mansion ride to create the famous dining room ghost dancing scene.
Please note that this experiment requires adult supervision. An adult should help you with all of the steps that require cutting with scissors. Before we start this experiment, you're going to need to gather a couple of supplies. First, you're going to need a flat, hard, but flexible piece of clear plastic, such as recycled packaging or overhead projector sheets. You're then going to want some pair of scissors, a washable marker, some clear tape, Pepper's Ghost template, which will be found in the link in our bio or by going to the link in our caption, and you'll finally need a smartphone or tablet with access to YouTube to play the video to see Pepper's Ghost illusion. First, you're going to print out the Ghost Peppers template, which can be found in the link in our bio or in the link in our caption. And you're going to mark in black all the outside area. That's the area that we're going to trace onto the flat, hard plastic. The pieces in blue are parts that you're going to fold when we get near the end of the experiment, but don't cut them and no need to trace them. Before we can trace, we're first going to cut out the template. And like I said, we're just going to cut along the black lines to remove it from the piece of paper. So I'm just going to go about cutting that now. Now that you've cut out the template, it should look like this and you can move on to the next step. Now I'm going to place the template on the plastic, grab my washable marker and go about outlining the outside of the template. So I'm just going to go on where all the lines are and where we cut, nothing on the inside. Once you have traced the template onto the plastic, you can remove the template and set it to the side. You now should end up with the template now copied onto the plastic. Once you have this, we can move on to the next step. Now that we have the template copied onto the hard plastic, you're going to grab your pair of scissors again and you're going to cut out the template from the plastic this time. So let's go ahead and do that now. Once you've cut everything out, you should end up with the same template that we had on the paper. Now we have it in the plastic form. Now you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you have the plastic template, grab a little bit of clear tape. You won't need too much. The two open pieces are what we're going to put together. So you're gonna overlap them so that it becomes a triangle. And you're gonna grab the tape and just use enough to overlap on those parts. Once you've placed the plastic template together, you should end up with something that looks like an upside down triangle that will stand on its own on a table so that you can put it on your phone and watch the amazing Pepper's Ghost Illusion come to life. In the next part, I'll show you how to get the video on YouTube and how to see the Pepper's Ghost Illusion come to life. Once you've put the plastic upside down triangle together, you're going to want to go to a link in our bio and look for a YouTube video all about Pepper's Ghost Illusions. This video is put together by the Ontario Science Centre and will allow you to see the illusion effect. You're going to want to open that video on YouTube and place your upside down triangle on the center of your iPhone or mobile device or tablet and look lower down for the best way to see the video. In the next bit, I'm going to insert some clips and videos of the Pepper's Ghost Illusion in action over here at Creative Encounters. We hope you have an absolute blast with this fun Friday activity, and we hope you check out our other content on our social media such as Instagram and TikTok. Have a great Friday!